In this video, we're going to talk about setting up and using Panopto for Canvas. This is going to be a brief introduction into using Panopto with your Canvas classes. It's not going to be a full coverage of everything you can do, but at least should get you started. Now, Panopto is a screen sharing / webcam recording application that you can use in order to then share that with. So in order to get this started, let's just jump right in there. In your Canvas classes, over on the left-hand side, you should see a Panopto recordings item. If you don't see that, then what you do is you come all the way down to settings, and you may have to change the navigation. So let's see, navigation, right here at Panopto recordings. It may be down here under the items that are hidden. So what you have to do is you just have to drag that up, click save, and it will save the location. So mine is already on the left-hand side, so I'll go straight to it. And what you may have to do the very first time is when you go to the Panopto, you click create, and you may have to say, let's see, record a new session. And if you don't have Panopto installed, this won't show up. What will happen is you'll see this screen right here. And so you have to download Panopto. So you can go ahead and click download it. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and run it. Whenever my download finishes. And then pretty much it's just next throughout the entire install process. There's the install button. Just next. You'll notice that it actually has the web server specifically for our school right there. So just next, and let it run through. So when that's done, you come back here to the Panopto page and you go up to create, record new session. And it says, hey, do you want to open up the Panopto recorder? You say yes. That goes ahead and opens up the Panopto recorder. You do have a lot of options here. For instance, you can see right now my webcam is going. I also have a capture main screen checkbox that will capture the main screen on my desktop, capture second and third screen, as well as capture PowerPoint. If you really want, you can also add in additional items here for them to look through and do a preview for your screen capture. When it's all done, what you do is you choose the folder you want it to go into. You can see right there, it was trying to go into my practice class. You may have to choose exactly which class you want it to go into. And then click record. And at this point, it is recording both the audio, my webcam, my screen that you're seeing there, and my PowerPoint that you're actually not seeing it. So it's capturing all of that. When you're done, click stop. It will stop it, and then you can either delete that, give it a name, and say done. As soon as you say done, it starts uploading it into Canvas. And as soon as the upload is finished, come back here to Panopto section in Canvas. Let's go ahead and refresh this. And there's our new video. It says it's currently processing. Once that reaches 100%, we'll be good to go. So there you go. That's the very brief how to get it up and running, how to start recording videos. The next video, we're going to talk about adding those videos into Canvas.